ExpertOption Platform Toolbar. This is the platform's toolbar. Here you can set up charts, indicators and drawings. ExpertOption offers various chart types: area, line, bars and candles. For candles and bars, you can select a time frame. This can be from 5 seconds up to 1 month. Indicators are used for technical analysis to predict potential movements of the market. To add an indicator, click on it, choose its settings and apply it. You can learn more about indicators in our following videos. Drawings can be used to identify support and resistance lines. To add them, open Drawings modal. Add horizontal line. Select its color and thickness and click Apply. You can drag the line to adjust its position. If you want to remove a drawing or an indicator, go back to the toolbar. Select Current tab and click the X button. Click Social Trading button to show deals of other ExpertOption traders. If a trader places a deal, it will be shown on your graph. Click this button one more time to hide other traders' deals. This button changes the scale of the graph. You can also zoom in and out with mouse or touchpad. To return to expiration time, click Focus button. To display price graphs for 2 different assets, click on Layout button. With Split Screen function, you can monitor and trade multiple assets simultaneously. ExpertOption wishes you successful trading.